Hello and welcome to Stellar One's educational series. In this video, I'll show you how the credit verification rules work in Acumatica. In part one of this video, I'll show you the settings. We'll take a look at how to automatically make the system place transactions on hold if they fail a credit check. And we'll also set up thresholds on the customer profile. And in part two, we'll test the configuration by creating a couple of transactions. So let's start with the settings. First, we'll go to the sales orders workspace. And in the preferences on the right-hand side on the tab, we're going to click sales orders preferences. And what you're looking for is on the bottom left in the invoice settings to make sure that these hold invoices on failed credit check is checked. If you don't have it checked, check it and click Save to save the change. And we'll do the same in the receivables workspace. We'll click on the receivables, and under the preferences, we have accounts receivable preferences. And the same thing, we'll scroll down and to the left. And what we're looking for is to check this hold document on failed credit check. Again, once you check it, you press Save, and we're good to go. So that's the setting. Number two, we'll take a look at the thresholds on the customer profile. I will select one of the customers here. Let's do Emerald Bank. And in the financial tab on the right-hand side, you'll see there is a whole section called credit verification rules. So in the credit verification rules, if you click on the drop-down, you'll see that there are three options: day past due, credit limit, and then a combination of a credit limit and day past due. So how do these work? The day past due, you can stipulate a number of days on top of your regular credit terms. And once that number of days along with the credit terms is exceeded, the system will place the document on hold. So I have 30 days. This is my net 30. That will be the regular terms. After the 30 days, the document will start aging, and I will give another 10 days before I start placing documents on under the credit check on hold. And you can see that the system actually shows me what is the first document that actually, where the credit check would actually apply and fail. And in my case, it's January 2026. So this one is a good 6 months old, but that's fine because we'll be able to actually test this out. The second option is a credit limit. So this is just a regular threshold. So you can place any threshold you like, let's say $1,500. Any document above $1,500 will be automatically placed on a credit hold and will have to be either approved or the credit hold will have to be removed or lifted in order to process the transaction. And then the third option is the credit limit and day past due. So you can have both, right? You can have a credit limit and you can also apply basically aging with additional number of days. Okay, so once you have this set up, you just press Save. Now I did this for a single customer. If you haven't done this on the customer class level where you can set these things up, you'll have to run an import scenario and update all your customers with the verification rules. But on the customer class level, you can set these credit verification rules as well. So if you set them up in here, every time you create a new customer, these settings will be inherited by that customer. And then if you need to tweak those, you can go directly to the customer profile and tweak them over there. All right, very good. So that's the configuration of the credit verification rules. In part two, we'll create a couple of transactions and see how this works in practice. I'll see you then.